Fantastic. Drivers, what do you make of it? Tell us, what are your thoughts, what are your feelings in this moment?
I had to make a bad boy face now, but I'm extremely happy. I mean, look at this. It's incredible, and I can't wait to drive it, really.
Nico, how are you feeling? This is such a monumental moment.
Yeah, just excitement and happiness, to be honest. I committed to this project in May 2024, so, the anticipation to this day and for it to become reality, it's been a few days, so, just very happy. It's all happening now and we're starting.
And you looking cool, looking cozy? Happy with your new team kit?
Cozy, comfortable, yep. Car's a beauty, so we're ready to go.
And of course, everybody's got different versions of the team kit, which looks amazing. Gabby, what do you make of it?
Yeah, it's great. It's great. Just beautiful, like the car.
Well, beautiful like the car, as you say, and that brings me on to, of course, come on, guys. You guys are going to be the first drivers of the Audi Works F1 team. That's got to be just such a unique thing to say. How do you feel? What does that mean to you?
It's special. It is very special and an honor to do that. It's the start of a new team. We're part of a new team, building it, shaping it, contributing. So, it's part of something large, and I think we're all ready to go and, get our hands on it next week, working with it, get to know it, spend time with the engineers, and I think that's what, obviously, Gabby and I most look forward to.
Gabby, what about you?
Well, for me, it's a dream coming true. It's the type of project that you have once in a lifetime, and it's an opportunity to create also a legacy, that will stay forever in history. So, yeah, I'm very much looking forward to that, and we're going to give our best to achieve our goals.
Absolutely, we cannot wait to see that. Now, the team have got two drivers at very different stages of their careers. Gabby, you just finished your rookie season. How do you think that this difference in experience is going to play into the hands of the team?
Almost no difference. Come on, it's similar.
Really? He doesn't seem to look like he agrees.
Look, I feel like obviously me and Nico, we push each other. I feel like last year was a proof of that. There was a lot of good moments pushing each other and pushing the team forward as well. And I feel like it's not going to be different. We are still going to be doing the same to each other, and hopefully we achieve big things, right, Nico?
Absolutely. It's a working combo. It worked really well last year. I think we also, from a team's perspective and from the car, we want the same things, which is important, to drive the team in the right direction and, in terms of development. And we're very aligned, positive, healthy atmosphere. We get along really well. And it's going to be fun.
Well, getting along really well is, of course, a great starting point. But you are, Nico, going to be starting your 251st Grand Prix in Melbourne. So you got a couple of races under your belt there. What motivates you the most about this new journey with the Audi Revolut Formula One team?
To be a part of it, that we are on this mission, on this mission to build something great, to build the Audi legacy in Formula One. For me, that's an incredible and huge opportunity, that I obviously want to make stick and make it count and as successful as possible, as soon as possible. That's the real excitement and the motivation behind everything.
Well, growth is definitely on the tip of everyone's tongues. The team wants to grow, the drivers want to grow. What is the most important part of this journey in terms of growth for you?
Honestly, I think it's just enjoying it. It's, again, as I said before, it's a once-in-a-lifetime project. So enjoy every second of it and enjoy being part of an amazing team that we are also building together. I came to this team a year and a half ago, and I see the difference that we are making already in this team. So much progress. People are so much more happy, looks like it. And also the results we have achieved last year and what we want to achieve in the future. So just enjoy every second because we are going to only live this once.
Absolutely. As you say, this has been a long journey, of course. The team have been working so hard to get to this moment. I want to know from your perspective, what about this journey in this moment is the most important for you?
Well, I think it's about the journey, doing it together. And obviously this is only the starting point, but where will we be in 5 years and what will have happened, between now and then? That's obviously the very important and meaningful stuff. But I think we have all the right ingredients. And now it's our job, to put it, to take this challenge and take the task and put it into the reality and on the track.
Well, we cannot wait to see what's going to happen on track. Drivers, thank you so much. You look good, the car looks good, and we're all looking forward to the start. So thank you for joining me on the stage. Thank you. Well, everybody, this is most certainly the beginning of an era, but it doesn't stop here. It just starts here. I'm going to invite you all tonight, of course, to keep enjoying the evening. There's going to be some flying canopies and, of course, opportunity for you guys to network and get to see the wonderfully curated areas around the space where you can get to interact with the team, the brand, and its new identity. Thank you all so much for being here. We're so excited for what's to come. For everyone in the room, put your hands together. For everyone at home, thank you so much for joining us. This has been an exciting evening. Bye.